Hello everyone, welcome to this course Terraform Import. In this we will learn how we can import our existing resource in the cloud into our Terraform management. So it's very normal and it's a quite common scenario that some resources is created by some other means in cloud, and now we want to bring those resources into our Terraform management, and for that we have this command called Terraform import. With the help of this command we bring them into a management plane. Let's get started. So before going to our code, let me show you what existing resource I have. So in our portal I have this resource group called demo rg, and inside this resource group we have one storage account called stg demo, and we have some random string. That's fine. So I have these two resources, and in the code I want to import these two resources into our Terraform code. So what we can do here, first of all, we have to define that code. It's not like automatically the code will be written. No, we have to define those code, and some basic information which is required need to be mentioned here. For example, for a resource group we require to have a name and the location, and for storage account we require to have these 5 properties. So we should have a name, we should have a resource group, location, account year, and account replication type. We have defined this information, but right now you can see in my folder I don't have anything, no state file, nothing. So what I'm going to start from the first command, which is terraform init. Let me initialize my project first so that it will download all the required plugins and packages. It's done. Since it is done, now we can start our import part. So first we have to import resource group, because our storage account is dependent on resource group. That means first resource is resource group. Once resource group is imported, then only we can import storage account. So let's import resource group. So command goes like terraform import, and then the resource name. Here the resource name will be the type of the resource dot the name of the resource. So I am importing my resource on behalf of this resource. So now what is the target? So here we have to mention the resource ID of our resource group. So resource ID here in overview, we can go to JSON view, and here we can get our resource ID. Let's go to our Visual Studio Code and paste it. Now you can see terraform import, then the type of the resource, then the name of the resource, and then the resource ID. And let me hit enter. Now you can see it has created the terraform tf state file. Okay, so first it has tried to prepare the resource group for import, and then it has successfully imported the resource. And now let's check out our tf state. So earlier there was no tf state. Now we have the terraform.tf state file, and here you can see we are managing one resource called AzureRM resource group, and the name of it is RG, and we have all the property related to that resource group here. Now the second thing is we want to import our storage account. So for importing storage account, we have to write the same command once again, terraform import, then the resource type is AzureRM storage account, and the resource name which is stg, and now we need the resource ID. So let's go to the portal, open the storage account. In the overview JSON view, we have it here. Let me paste it here. So terraform import resource type, and then the resource name which is mentioned in the terraform code, and then the resource ID which we will get from the Azure cloud. Enter. Okay, so import has been successful. Let's check out our tf state. So in the tf state it is maintaining this Azure resource group, and now it is also maintaining our Azure storage account. And you can see in this here that now it has what is happened in the background, that whenever we run this Terraform import command, it try to connect to the target storage account, read all the properties and bring all the properties over here in the state file. So now you can see it is telling me the access tier, kind, and all other properties we haven't defined in our code. So in the state file we have all these properties related to our storage account. So this is all for Terraform import. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.